Okay, good night, mate. So, okay, I forgot to mention one more sound from my oh my gosh, from my last video. So, slurp. That was really weird, but it was this one. You do a lot of spitting from this, but all you do for this sound you just go you know. And what sound was I just okay? You just fill up. You just put air into these cheeks. Not over here though. You don't put it here. Just on the sides, on the top side, and then just let it out. And you should, when you do it, you should do it at the beginning. So, I just forgot to mention that from my last video. So, yay! Gosh, bye.